ទី1គឺយើងអនុគមចងរូបមន្តប្រើអនុគម if ដែលយើងអាចចងដាក់ grade letter ដាក់និទេសឲ្យនិស្សិត A B C ចឹងយើងនឹងអនុវត្តនៅក្នុងលំហាត់ and loss profit and loss. So we have table here. We have a table in March. We have invoice in July, in August and September. So we find profit and loss. We use if function. So we use here. Okay. If amounts sell bigger than amount purchase and purchase minus no sell minus purchase, it is profit or profit. Enter. So we select here. Okay. So we got profit. This is profit. Little profit, no, don't have number, is not profit. So we total profit. We use the normal plus and plus. Yes, we have total profit is 109. Loss, use if also. Loss, it means that purchase, amount of purchase bigger amount of sale and amount sale minus amount purchase, so we call loss. Close bracket, enter. So we get down. So you see that amount sale is smaller than amount purchase. Loss $6. Amount purchase, amount sale here smaller. Loss 76. Loss $4. Loss 11. 30 and $5.5. So we total loss $133 already. Total here loss. The same here. In August we do the same. If không chia loss if you change ចេញថោកជាងទិញចូលលុយចេញថោកជាងលុយចេញថោកជាងជាង loss 44 yeah. If bigger ធំជាងទិញចូលនេះprofit in July plus profit August plus profit September we got 3 months total 3 months profit and no profit here. The next we introduce about if promotion, special promotion. We use also if bigger than 100 cash, that is be free to them, promotion free 10 cash. If for 80 cash, promotion free 8 cash. If bigger or equal 60 cash, so promotion free 8 cash. If bigger or equal 40, promotion free 4 cash. If bigger 10, 0 cash. So we close it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wrong. figure equal 1 cash divide from 1 cash not 3 1 cash not 3 okay so we finish already 2 cash not 3 free 0 10 cash free 0 20 free 2 and until 100 when free 10 cash okay finish thank you for watching my video